Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Azzat. I'm the co-founder of SEOS7 autonomous SEO software for WordPress. And today I'm going to walk you through how the software works and how it can help you actually increase your organic traffic based on data-driven recommendations. So you start by click on Get Started to create a new account. You subscribe to one of our plans, and once you do that, you can just start using our software by installing our WordPress plugin. And once you do, your website will be connected like this one, or like this one. You will see that it's active. And here you will have an overview for all your websites, as we can actually help you do a lot of things. First of all, we start by scanning and analyzing your website on a daily or a weekly or a monthly basis based on your plan. And any issue, any technical SEO issue like missing title tag, duplicated title tag, short title, short meta description, heading hierarchy issue, missing alt text, missing canonical, meta cursed issue. A lot of issues. We scan around 18 different issues and we fix them automatically. So as you can see here, you will find this tab called Issues Fixed. It tells you how many issues we have fixed your over the time that you have been using SEOS7. For this website, we fixed around 580 issues. And we published around 23 articles because we have our own content planner that actually writes factually correct and SEO optimized articles that could goes up to 10,000 words. And we have optimized 11 articles because we have our own content optimizers that optimizes your current content based on competitors, entities, topics, and keywords that you are using, number of internal links we have created, number of images that we have optimized for optimize their alt text and title tags, number of A/B tests running, and this is very important because we are actually help you run data-driven A/B testing for your titles and meta description. So for your top pages, you can make sure that you are applying the winning title and the winning description based on data, not speculations. And finally, last but not least, our AI tasks, which is one of a kind feature where we are actually using data to give you actionable tasks to implement that will help you increase your organic traffic. So we can start by just clicking on any website, and you will have an overview like this one. You will have your getting started checklist, install WordPress plugin, connect to Google Search Console, enable index now connection so we can index your new content automatically, even write your first article, optimize your first article, optimize your images SEO, improve internal links, and run your first A/B testing. So this checklist actually covers what SEOS7 does completely. So we help you scan your website, fix your issues automatically. It runs in the background, so you don't have to do anything. But at any time, if you want to run a system scan, you can just click here and it will run in the background and you'll receive an email once it's finished. Here you can see the number of images we have optimized. You have 200 total images. 161 have been optimized already, and we have 39 images that needs to be optimized, and we saved you around 8 hours just by optimizing these images. So you can just click here and it will automatically read and analyze your image and add alt text to it. You can do it one by one, or you can just click on optimize all images and it will run them all at once. So this is for images SEO actually. Going back to overview. Here for internal links, you can just click scan for opportunities and our AI will start scanning your first 10 posts, and you can always scan any number of posts you want. There is no limit on scanning your pages. and in seconds it will give us semantically relevant posts to link to each other. As you can see, you can just click on anyone and it will be added automatically. You can skip, and for if you want at any time, you can just revert it with one click. And you can always load more suggestions by scanning next 10 posts and so on, because we have here 320 posts um, inside our website. Going back to our tools, we have one of the most important tools, which is content writing. You can write an article right now by just adding a keyword, choosing the language and article length, even adding a guideline for your content and your image, because we help you create an AI featured image and we add it to your content automatically. Or you can schedule a content plan just by adding any topic like this. You can add a guideline for articles, like always use actionable insights and tips. Avoid using M dashes. And you just click on generate 30 articles. It will start by searching Google, finding trending topics, and generating titles based on your keyword that you can actually schedule and run automatically in the background. As you can see, here are the 30 titles generated. You can always remove anyone if you don't like it, and it will actually tells you which websites it will base its content upon. So this is factually correct content, so you can make sure that you are not writing hallucinated data. You are writing always about factual, accurate content. So if you are satisfied, you can set the start date, choose the post status, either drafted to review yourself or published. It will be published automatically. How many articles per day or per week? So choose 2 per day. Even choose your category and choose the author and save and schedule plan. And this plan is actually saved and scheduled, and will start writing 2 articles per day for 15 days. You can always click on calendar to check your content day in, day out. If you want to change its title, if you want to change its guidelines at any time. And that's it. Even if you click on here, this content plan is already running. A lot of articles has been completed, so we can just click on it and view it on our website. So this is for our content planner, and we also have our content optimization, which is one of the most powerful features we have inside our website. You can just click on analyze, and it will actually extract the main keyword from the content. We start analyze it compared to your top 10 competitors from Google search results, to scan their content one by one, try to extract common content gaps, things that most of your competitors are covering but you're not. It will also try to refresh your content based on new data found from your competitors' websites. As you can see, we have around 14 missing topics related to this content in order to make it the best guide for this keyword, which is outbound sales mastery. Once you are ready, you can just click on optimize all sections. It will rewrite each section on its own, and then it will fill content gaps dynamically based on content context. So it will not add them at the end of your content. It will try to integrate them inside your content. So basically, this article is 3,000 words. Once it's finished, I think it will go beyond 10,000 words at least. So let's click on optimize sections. It will run in the background. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. And until it do so, we can just go check another tool like our AI tasks. So here is our AI tasks, where we are actually providing you with data-driven tasks based on your content and your Google Search Console data. For the first time, you can find or you can know what to do every day in order to get more visits from Google search results. So we will tell you which page needs to be optimized and what actually you need to do in order to optimize it. Like for this one, if we click on expand, by clicking on expand, you will actually trigger our AI to analyze competitors, your page content, the live version, and live version of Google Search Console data, and mix them together to give you data-driven tasks that you can implement. So it actually tells you what's working well, what's not working. As you can see, the page ranks well for prompt engineering, freelance rates 2026, and related queries, but has a 0% CTR. So the primary goal is to rewrite title tag and meta description to directly address user search intent and improve click-through rates from search results. So it tells you some key findings. It gives you actionable tasks that you can implement immediately. It gives you the title tags that you need to add to your page, the meta description tag. It even tells you that you need to incorporate some keywords naturally inside your introduction. Tells you to add a table of content, optimize your images, alt text, all of that based on competitors, your target queries from Google Search Console, and your page's content. So this is a data-driven task that usually will help you actually to get more traffic and clicks from search engine. You can export to PDF and share it with one of your teammates or your employees, and you can always assign it to one of your teammates, and they will receive an email with their assigned task where they can view the expand, the detailed task plan, and they can implement it. And once they do, they can just mark it as done, and it will be moved to done tasks. So this is for AI tasks, and it actually updates automatically every day based on your new content published on your website. So it will actually every day scans your Google Search Console data, your pages, and tries to see if there is any issue or pages that are not performing well, and it will add a new task for you so that you can check and implement or neglect if you don't want to apply. Going back to our content optimizer, as you can see, it has finished. So we started at 31, now it's 94. 10 sections optimized, one skipped, because it actually skips sections that doesn't need to be optimized if there is one, and 14 gaps are filled. So let's publish to WordPress, and with one click, it's published. Going back to our content optimization, this article was actually 3,000 words. Now it's 8,000 words, as you can see. So we have increased it by 5,000 words. So now we can expect that this article will increase its Google search impressions and hopefully clicks, but just by adding these new sections and filling the gaps that other competitors are writing about or filling in their content. And you can do this for all of your articles. As you can see, you will always have the ability to optimize decaying content. When you click on decay, it will tell you which articles are losing traffic recently, so you can start to optimize them. Rising, so these articles are getting more impressions, which are stable, that are not losing or gaining any new impressions, and you can optimize them at any time. So this is actually some of the features we have in SEOS7. We have a lot of other features like A/B testing, where you can actually run A/B tests for your titles and descriptions and let the AI choose the best and winning variation. It runs on a 7-day variant or 14 days variant, and it runs automatically. It changes the title automatically. It sends an index now request to Google automatically after every title or the meta description change, so you can make sure that it gets indexed quickly and starts to track its results. As you can see, this title, for an example, got the best impressions, the highest impressions, 84 impressions compared to 50, 41, and 40. So we're talking about 100% increase in impressions, but the CTR dropped a little bit, and so on. So it actually runs automatically. This is the last one. And in few days, the AI will choose between them based on which one has achieves the higher impressions, highest clicks, and highest average position, and it will implement it automatically. And you can run A/B tests by choosing from your pages. You will see the number of impression, number of position. You just click on it, next, choose the number of variants, choose the duration and tracking interval, and you just click generate and start test. It will automatically generate 4 variants as you choose. And this is the original one, and this is the live one now, the new title. And we'll start analyzing Google Search Console data every 3 days as we chose. And in 56 days, it will choose the winning title and the winning description. So this is actually very powerful if you believe in data and you need to base all your title and meta description optimizations based on data-driven information. Finally, we have indexing, where you can actually request an index from Google for your new optimized content or new written articles. Automatically, you can send up to 200 new requests per day. So this is also one of the most important features to make sure that your content is always updated and seen by Google. And you can at any time invite your team, choose their role, SEO specialist, choose the website they need to access, gives them tasks, allows them to view their own tasks, create tasks or assign tasks, and so on. Then you can assign tasks to them through the tasks page. You can always export tasks to CSV and share it with your team, and so on. So I hope you like SEO7, and I hope that it actually helps you to get more traffic and hopefully revenue from Google search.